Hello, my name's Alan and I'm the creator of this course, Excel Essentials, the complete series, levels 1, 2 and 3, the complete Excel mastery series all in one package. So why should you learn from me? Well, I've been using Excel for over 20 years. I've been teaching others how to use Excel for over 20 years. I've taught hundreds of students one-on-one and I've taught thousands of students online, and I've been the go-to guy in every company I've worked in. So what will you be able to do by the end of this course? Well, you're going to have a complete understanding of Excel. You're going to master all the basics in level 1, you're going to master the advanced functions in level 2, and in level 3 I'm going to teach you how to program, and not only program Excel but also Outlook, Word and even Windows itself, and who knows, you may even earn some more money or make a career change. Okay, so what's inside the course? In level 1 we're going to master all of the basics of Excel, even if you've never seen a spreadsheet before. In level 2 we're going to use Excel like the professionals, and you're going to learn how to use Excel's advanced functions to do things that regular users think aren't possible. And in level 3 I'm going to teach you how to program. You're going to understand coding and the thought process behind it and complete your routine tasks thousands of times faster. There's a demo in there with a free preview. Okay, so who's the course for? Well, this course is for complete beginners or those with some knowledge of Excel and really want to harness its full power. Now, what do you need to get started? Well, you're going to need a PC, a copy of Microsoft Excel 2010 or above, and a willingness to learn. Everything else is included in the course, including access to me. So take a look at the course description, take a look at the reviews, and I'll see you in the course. Thanks very much indeed.